What is up guys, welcome back to Techintive. And today we have one of the best and budget-friendly multifunctional gaming mouse, which is doing a great job in the budget segment. I have been using this mouse for more than 2 months now, and there is no problem with this product. Don't skip the video, watch it till the end. Okay, let's go back 2 months before. With that said, let's take a look at our package. In the front side, we can see Ant Esports logo and the model number, that is, GM500 RGB, which is a wired gaming mouse. It is equipped with Avago ADNS 3050 professional gaming IC with Hano mouse switches of over 10 million clicks lifespan. I am covering all the features in this video, including the software for this mouse for controlling its features manually. Here, we can see our mouse showcased. Let me open the package. Okay, first we can see our mouse, pull it out carefully. Then, we can see some papers as usual. First, they are giving a card which says, "Welcome to Ant Esports." Please make sure you have read all these papers before using. Then you can see a warranty card and user manual. Let's keep that aside and take a look at our product. Before that, let me clean it, because I was using it for more than 2 months now. This mouse looks and also feels lot better than I actually expected. I think this is the only best mouse with this much features available right now. The all-new Ant Esports GM500 RGB wired gaming mouse has Avago 3050 laser sensor, has no drift control, ensuring that you will be able to make minor movements in-game, especially vital for FPS gamers pulling off that perfect headshot. Over here, we can see the Ant Esports logo, which is also RGB. It features Avago ADNS 3050 sensor, which I haven't seen before. It has more capabilities as said on their website. On the bottom, we can see skates on all sides. It will reduce the friction and move the mouse without any restriction. The mouse is mainly matte finish, that looks and feels completely premium. Both the right-handed and left-handed can use it. Also the sides are textured to get a better grip. This whole RGB lighting and functions can be manually customized using the software. On the left side, we can see 2 buttons, which is set as forward and backward by default. But, you can change that also with the help of software. In the right side, you can see, it is designed exactly like the other side, but they are not buttons, just a design detail and also ensure the grip while using. Overall, it has a great and premium build quality. GM500 RGB gaming mouse is your ideal weapon designed for extraordinary and enhanced gaming. The front side also have a great and quality design, making this mouse the best at that budget. Now, coming to the mouse wheel, the sides are not that much transparent, but you can see the RGB lighting in it also. It also have a grip on that mouse wheel, ensuring better grip while scrolling. Now, coming to the 2 buttons on top. Actually, overall this mouse have total 7 buttons which have different functions and can be customized manually. By default, the minus button is set for decreasing DPI, and the plus button is set for increasing the DPI. Every gamers and editors have their own personal preferences, so it's up to you which DPI value you want. The cable is also in premium quality, I mean, all parts of this mouse are in premium quality. The USB port is gold-plated, ideal for high-speed stable transmission. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the software and see what are the customization it offers. You can download the software from their website. I have added the link in the description, make sure you have checked. First, let's open the software, and this is how the interface looks like. Here, on the right side, you can set the DPI values for each clicks, and you can also customize custom colors for different DPI values. You can also tick the values you want, so while switching, it only shows the value you set last time. Here, on the left side, you can see the settings to customize the buttons on the mouse. You can customize it however you want. Make the correct settings in which you are really comfortable. I am just setting the default settings. There are some more settings, you can go through all these. Coming to the next one, we have the settings for the lighting and its effects. By default, it is set to colorful streaming. Next one is steady. You can also decrease and increase the brightness values as you want. I will show you all these one by one, please make sure you have seen all these. The customizable game software greatly enhances your gaming experience. You can set the speed as you want, like we set the brightness. And you can also set the direction, in which direction you want your animated effects have to show. Next, you can set your mouse parameter, like mouse sensitivity, scrolling speed, and double-click speed. Here, you can also set the polling rate. You can make different presets, and add those as different profiles. So, you can simply choose according to your needs. After all setting up, just click on Apply, and all set. Overall, I am saying that this is the best mouse you can buy at this price range. I don't think there are other mouses at this budget range with this much specifications. If you are looking for a best and budget mouse, go for this right now. I have provided the links to buy in the description area. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thumbs up if you have enjoyed, comment your questions, share with your friends, and at last, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to all. The Malayalam version of this video will be coming soon on my Malayalam channel. As some of you requested for my new PC setup video, I will be uploading that video soon. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.
Go.